Every pumpkin is tracked for size and weight, ensuring only the giants make the cut. Regular inspections prevent pests from ruining months of growth. When harvest day arrives, the team moves with precision to protect the giant fruit. From field to factory, the journey begins under strict control.
Every shipment is verified before entering the processing zone.
Quality control ensures only the best pumpkins enter the production line.
Next, the pumpkin is cleaned thoroughly before processing.
The pumpkin is washed under intense pressure to remove every grain of sand.
Sanitization ensures the fruit meets food safety standards before cutting.
The pumpkin is positioned precisely for safe and accurate cutting. A controlled cut splits the giant pumpkin into manageable halves. Seeds and fiber are separated engly. Seeds for roasting, fiber for compost.
Chunks of pumpkin flesh move onward to be ground into puree. The grinder transforms chunks into a consistent pumpkin puree.
Filtering ensures a smooth puree, meeting texture and quality standards. The puree is cooled and stored, ready for the pie production line.
Precise measurements ensure consistent dough texture every time.
The mixer kneads the dough into a uniform mass, ready for rolling. Dough sheets are rolled to exact thickness for perfect pie crusts. Each shell is cut and molded to uniform size, ensuring consistent baking.
The line is set for filling, with shells moving in perfect order.
A precise filling system ensures every pie gets the same amount of pumpkin. Spices are added with exact timing to maintain flavor consistency. The pies are baked in a continuous oven for even heat and texture.
Cooling is essential to stabilize texture and prevent condensation inside the packaging.
Every pie is checked to ensure it cools to the right temperature before packing.
Quality control removes any pie that doesn't meet the factory's standards.
Labels are printed with batch data for traceability and safety.
Automated filling speeds up packaging while keeping each pie intact. Sealed boxes protect the pies during storage and transport.
Labels are applied with precision to ensure accurate tracking.
Boxes are stacked precisely, preparing for shrink wrapping and shipment.
Shrink wrap secures the pallet for storage and transport.
Every pallet is inspected to ensure it can withstand handling.
Batch tags track each pallet through storage and delivery. Orders are matched to pallets, ensuring the right batch goes to the right destination. The pallet is secured inside the truck for safe transport to retailers. The pallet travels from the factory to the distribution center, keeping the supply chain moving.
Pallets are organized by destination to speed up shipping.
The pallet is loaded onto a retail truck, bound for grocery stores. Inventory is scanned and stored, keeping traceability intact. The pallet stays in controlled storage until it's time to stock the shelves.
Every box is tracked until it reaches the customer's hands.
The journey continues from store to home, still under controlled quality.
The packaging protects the pie until it's ready to be served.
The texture is the proof of quality, from field to filling. The desert farm and factory operate like a single living system.
Production never stops. The line runs day and night to meet demand.
Every shipment is prepared with strict checks before leaving the facility.
A new shipment begins its journey to stores and kitchens around the region.